Okay, what we have here is review day 2, sketch right here. Okay, so what I got going on here is I want to make this a common denominator. So right now I have a 1 underneath. So I have my x plus 4 right here. Okay, so I want to go minus 6 with the x plus 4 underneath here. And I have something on the bottom. Remember, I have to do the same thing on the top to keep the number the same. So I just go to x plus 4 here. I get plus minus 2 x plus 4. Okay, so if I multiply these across, I distribute them. I get minus 6x minus 24 all over x plus 4. And I get plus minus 2 over x plus 4. Okay. And then from there, I'm going to combine my fractions. So I'm going to have minus 6x minus 24 minus 2 all over my x plus 4. And then I can go minus 6x minus 26 all over x plus 4. So my new r of x is this whole function right here. Okay, so for my horizontal asymptote, from my notes, I'm looking at these first two right here. So I'm looking at minus 6x over x. And remember, my condition here that I'm looking for is what does y equal ax to the n, bx to the m. My n here is equal to 1, and my m is equal to 1. So with that condition, when n equals m, I'm going to have y equals a over b. So I take my coefficients. So I'm going to have y equals minus 6 over 1 or minus 6. So when I look at my horizontal asymptote, I'm going to go up here. I'm going to count off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have a horizontal asymptote at y equals negative 6. Now I need to find my vertical asymptote. So my vertical one is going to be when my bottom part of the function is equal to 0. So I get x plus 4 equal to 0. Subtract 4 from both sides, I get x equals negative 4. So I get x equal to negative 4 for my vertical. So when I do that, I'm going to look here and go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have a structure of the graph that looks like that with my horizontal at negative 6 and my vertical at negative 4. Okay, now I want to find out where my graph is going to be. So the simplest number I can pick is 0. So if I put x equals 0 in here, if I go r of 0, I get this goes to 0, so I get minus 26. This goes to 0, so I get 4. So if I have that right there, I'm going to have minus 26 divided by 4 gives me minus 6.5. Okay, so if I go right here at x equals 0, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. So my graph is over here. And I know I'm going to bend over towards the asymptotes. So I'm going to have something that looks like this. And I know I have a mirror image over here. So I have something that looks like that. Okay. Now I'm really interested to see how this works. What part you want to see? The bottom part here?